SlowCast English, Episode 4, Free Time and Relaxing.
What do you do after work?
I try to relax.
How do you relax?
I listen to music or take a walk.
Do you listen to fast music?
No, slow music. Very soft.
That matches this podcast.
Yes, slow things help me rest.
Do you use your phone a lot at night?
Not too much. I stop early.
That's healthy.
I sleep better that way.
Sleep is very important.
Yes, especially for learning.
Free time and relaxing. Two people discuss ways to unwind. After work, such as listening to soft music or taking walks. They agree that avoiding phone use at night improves sleep quality, which is important for overall well-being and learning.